Hey guys, welcome back to Tactical Expedition. Today I want to show you this exciting product. It's called Armor Shield Nano Ceramic Coating for 2022 Tesla Y. This is a product where you can do a ceramic coating on the entire car. So this is a highest grade, consumer grade ceramic coating on the market with a mirror-like shine and the ease of cleaning it. So this is made by Avalon King, which is an Armor Shield. It's #1 ceramic coating on the market. Not only gives you the car professional shine and deep wet gloss, but it's super easy DIY application, comes with everything you need right out of the box. So let's check this out. It has a nice packaging, very luxurious chrome packaging. There's a thank you card, and look at this. And you can open it, open this and apply it right here. Okay, and it comes with microfiber towel, gloves. This is the applicator with this sponge. And you use this applicator. There's multiple applicators. 1, 2, 3, 4 applicators. So what you do, you wrap this around and you apply it here. So you do a couple drops, make this wet, and you apply it to your car. So I'll show you the installation process. So this Armor Shield rejects UV rays, road grime, mud, pollen, acid rain, and bird droppings and any other crude. While its hydrophobic properties simply wipe water away, they guarantee at least 2 years protection when adequately applied. So I'm gonna just follow the instructions that they provided. It seems very simple. So earlier I washed my car, and I'll show you right now. This works with all vinyl wraps, paint protection films, clear bras, carbon fiber, and powder coated surfaces. Let's go apply this Armor Shield. So after washing the car, I'm just going over little grimes. See if you can see there's a grime there. So I'm just removing all these little specks. Rub the microfiber towel just like that. It goes away. Easy process, but take time because you don't want to seal these grimes under the armor. Armor Shield, shake it around. Grab a sponge and wrap it. I'm just holding on to the side, and I'm using this part here. A few drops down, up. I'm just gonna complete the half, and I end it around here. I'm gonna go back and forth this way. And about 30 seconds to 5 minutes, depending on the humidity, the condition of your garage or outdoor, it will turn into the rainbow color. So after that, you buff it out with a microfiber towel that they supplied you. So I got their microfiber towel. Very easy process. This is what I worked on. So I'm just buffing it out. It's a very easy process. I'm just gonna do the white portion of my car first, including the trim. Then if I have leftover, I'm gonna do the glass. Then if I have leftover, I'm gonna do the wheel. Since it's black, it doesn't show the dirtiness, so I don't really care. But then the white part, I want the shine to it from the far. I'm doing the plastic portions also. Try to armor your car as soon as possible. When you buy the car, just do this, or do a PPF film, or do something, because longer the car gets older and exposed to the road and debris and all this, it's gonna get ruined. You're gonna lose that momentum of try to fix your car and maintain the good looks. When you touch it with your hands, the area where it applied, even the headlights, this side I didn't apply it, it is rougher here. It doesn't go down as much, but on this side I applied it, it's buttery smooth. So obviously the water, it's gonna beat off. The shine is incredible. It's all reflecting everything. Wow. And when you actually run your hand across, it's so smooth. That's why water and all the debris beads away, because it's so smooth. I'm applying to this trim. Look at this, super shiny. compared to here. See, here you see the difference? So it just went a little bit over. And when I apply to this section, it removed micro scratches. Kind of like you see it there, right there. See a lot of micro scratches there. See on top? There's a lot. And let me show you when I apply that, see if it removes it or not. I'm just gonna go over it. All I know is for sure, it makes it super smooth after you apply it. Okay, much better, right? Look at that. Wow. So even here, it's super clear right here. I'm not saying it removes 100%, but look at this. It removes significant amount micro scratches. Armor shield can be applied to the carbon fiber and the plastic and glass. So I'm gonna apply it on the carbon fiber so you can see the coating going on. Okay, and underneath. I'm done with everything. So now I'm gonna be applying to the windows. So it's easy to see the rainbow color of the coating. It's very easy to apply, and this wipes away so fast. Very evenly, nicely applied. So everything is applied. Okay, so I'm gonna buff it out now. See, this is with the coating, and once I buff it out, it's this clear. Oh my gosh. With the hydrophobic properties. Wow, look at how shiny that is. So I did the panoramic roof. So I did the entire panoramic roof of the Tesla Y. And now I'm gonna buff it out. Wow, it's so shiny. Look at this. Here, I'm just buffing it out. Just rub it back and forth for the streaks to go away, but it eventually disappears. So here you can see the streaks. After you buff it, see, it goes away. So I'm gonna do the windshield now. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back and forth. So after it dries, about a minute, I'm gonna buff it out. Those of you who's curious about what that is, that's my wife's air freshener inside. It's called Cacao Friends. It looks like that. It just so you can literally put it on any screen, anywhere you want. Like you can slide that over here, here. You can put that on a monitor, anywhere you want. So after I finished my wife's Tesla Y, there was a little bit left over, so I did my entire 2022 Taycan. Man, the level of the shine is incredible. Even though the front is wrapped in PPF, the paint wasn't smooth when I touched it. Now it's buttery smooth, just like applying a wax. So I applied armor shield on both cars perfectly, and there was enough. Thank you for viewing my video, and see you on the next one.